Hello, chibai vek ule. Vo in hi October ni som pasari. Sang ni som ni pani ania. Amingin huan ka nei ve so lai asonin kan kol basha hi amin to a chu chu ka fanunen kan kol basha kan bachawanga engzat tak omang mo kan lo entir don cheunia so ta sonin local rule.
Hi, I'm in my mom's garden. This is our bed that has these sweet potatoes that we're going to be picking today.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna have a lot, and there's a lot of the leaves are overflowing from the garden bed. Let's see. Oh, look at that! I think we're going to have a whole bunch. Keep pulling the leaves out. So
The whole thing.
yeah, that's what we need to do. Look at this. Some of these are still growing, I think. You need to dig it where the roots are, okay, where the plants are. Hey, kan han hai chwak bot don ni hey.
Oh, there's a big one.
Yeah. Oh, hey, lian lutuk. Yeah, this is so big. Oh. Oh, ha, ha. Wow. Oh, mama. Oh. Van lian eh. Oh, tero ha. Kita yan. Eh, look. Lian lutuk. Wow. Van lian em hey chu. But you gotta keep pulling the vines. Yeah. You know what? I have a shovel for potatoes that's really sharp. Hey, heti zong hi kan han lo to chu nia. Kan la sar zel don ni na lang kan la. Lai chwak zel don ni na lang hey. Kan. Oi, bete ka, kata ka. Naro le. Lom về đeo nha. Hey. Kan raise bed hi kan pain. Thingin min siam saka.
Mama.
Oi, halian lutuk. This avan lian em oh. Wow.
Oh, wow, Mom. This is another big one. Wow. Oh, my gosh.
Avan lian em oh. Hey, chu. Eta. Nakuma kan han tile nga. Okay. Ka bite lo la ro le khu. Lo la ro le. I don't wanna crush or break it. I think there's more here. Yeah, halamak kan bit. Oh, there's a little bit smaller. Ka, bit kata ka. Ka. Just. Hey, lama po here. Oh. Ole heti zong hi kan kol ba sa cho chu ne ya kan lom ve em ma lian pui te kan chu chuak ve a mal som na ania chuanin kan channel hi tlem kan ron update ve do na min lo like a min lo subscribe sak turin kan ti cheu nia o chu ni len nuam vek ule